Did you know that Myanmar is a country located in Southeast Asia? It is bordered by Bangladesh to the west, India to the northwest, China to the north, Laos to the east, and Thailand to the south. Myanmar is a land of mountains, forests, and plains. The highest mountain in Myanmar is Kakabo Razi, which is located in the north of the country. The largest forest in Myanmar is the Tamanthi Forest Reserve, which is located in the south of the country. The longest river in Myanmar is the Irrawaddy River, which flows through the central plains of the country. Did you know that Cambodia is a country located in Southeast Asia? It is bordered by Thailand to the north, Laos to the northeast, Vietnam to the east and south, and the Gulf of Thailand to the southwest. Cambodia is a landlocked country, except for its coastline along the Gulf of Thailand. The geography of Cambodia is diverse, with mountains, a central plain, and a southern delta. The Mekong River flows through Cambodia, and it is a major source of water and transportation for the country. The Cardamom Mountains are located in the southwest of Cambodia and are home to a variety of plants and animals, including tigers, elephants, and gibbons. The Tunnel Sap Lake is the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia and is home to a variety of fish and other aquatic life. The Mekong Delta is the largest delta in Southeast Asia and is home to a variety of rice paddies, mangrove forests, and canals. Did you know that Thailand is a country located in Southeast Asia? It is bordered by Myanmar to the north, Laos to the northeast, Cambodia to the east, Malaysia to the south, and the Gulf of Thailand to the southwest. Thailand is a land of contrasts, with mountains, forests, beaches, and islands. The highest mountain in Thailand is Doi Inthanon, which is located in the north of the country. The largest forest in Thailand is Khao Sok National Park, which is located in the south of the country. The longest river in Thailand is the Chao Phraya River, which flows through the central plains of the country. The largest island in Thailand is Phuket, which is located in the Andaman Sea. Did you know that Laos is the only landlocked country in Southeast Asia? Laos is a landlocked country in Southeast Asia. It is bordered by Thailand to the west, Cambodia to the south, Vietnam to the east, and China to the north. The country is home to a diverse range of landscapes, including mountains, forests, and rivers. Did you know that Vietnam is a country located in Southeast Asia? It is bordered by China to the north, Laos and Cambodia to the west, the Gulf of Thailand to the southwest, and the South China Sea to the east and southeast. Vietnam is a long, narrow country, shaped like the letter S. The geography of Vietnam is diverse, with mountains, rivers, and beaches. The highest mountain in Vietnam is Phan Xipang, which is located in the north of the country. The longest river in Vietnam is the Mekong River, which flows through the central plains of the country. The coast of Vietnam is 3,260 kilometers long, and it is home to many beautiful beaches. Did you know that Malaysia is the fourth biggest country located in Southeast Asia? It is bordered by Thailand to the north, Singapore to the south, Indonesia to the east, and the South China Sea to the west. Malaysia is a land of two halves, with peninsular Malaysia on the Malay Peninsula and East Malaysia on the island of Borneo. The geography of Malaysia is diverse, with mountains, rainforests, beaches, and islands. Mount Kinabalu is the highest mountain in Malaysia, and it is a popular destination for hiking and mountaineering. The rainforests of Malaysia are home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including orangutans, tigers, and elephants. The beaches of Malaysia are some of the most beautiful in Southeast Asia, and they are a popular destination for swimming, surfing, and sunbathing. Did you know that Singapore is an island country and city-state located in Southeast Asia? It is made up of one main island and 63 smaller islands, and it is located at the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula. Singapore is a very small country, with a total area of only 721 square kilometers. The geography of Singapore is diverse, with a coastline, beaches, hills, and a rainforest. The coastline of Singapore is home to many beaches, including the popular Sentosa Beach. The hills of Singapore are home to the Singapore Botanic Gardens, which are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The rainforest of Singapore is home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including monkeys, snakes, and birds. Did you know that Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world? It is made up of over 17,000 islands, and it is located between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Indonesia is the world's fourth most populous country, with over 270 million people. The geography of Indonesia is diverse, with mountains, volcanoes, rainforests, and beaches. Mount Bromo is one of the most active volcanoes in Indonesia, and it is a popular tourist destination. The rainforests of Indonesia are home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including orangutans, tigers, and elephants. The beaches of Indonesia are some of the most beautiful in the world, and they are a popular destination for swimming, surfing, and sunbathing. Did you know that the Philippines is an archipelago located in Southeast Asia? It is made up of over 7,600 islands, and it is located in the western Pacific Ocean. The Philippines is the world's 15th most populous country, with over 110 million people. The geography of the Philippines is diverse, with mountains, volcanoes, beaches, and rainforests. The highest mountain in the Philippines is Mount Apo, which is located in the island of Mindanao. The most active volcano in the Philippines is Mayon Volcano, which is located in the island of Luzon. The beaches of the Philippines are some of the most beautiful in the world, and they are a popular destination for swimming, surfing, and sunbathing. The rainforests of the Philippines are home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including orangutans, monkeys, and birds. Did you know that Brunei is a small country located on the island of Borneo? It is bordered by Malaysia to the north and the South China Sea to the south and east. Brunei is a very small country, with a total area of only 5,765 square kilometers. The geography of Brunei is diverse, with a coastline, rivers, hills, and rainforests. The coastline of Brunei is home to many beaches, including the popular Muara Beach. The rivers of Brunei are home to a variety of fish and wildlife. The hills of Brunei are home to the Ulu Temburong National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The rainforests of Brunei are home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including orangutans, elephants, and tigers. Did you know that Timor-Leste is a small country located in Southeast Asia? It is located on the island of Timor, which it shares with Indonesia. Timor-Leste is a very mountainous country, with the highest peak being Mount Ramelau at 2,963 meters, 9,721 feet. The climate in Timor-Leste is tropical, with wet and dry seasons. The geography of Timor-Leste is diverse, with mountains, forests, and beaches. The mountains of Timor-Leste are home to a variety of plants and animals, including the Timorese mouse deer and the Timorese leopard. The forests of Timor-Leste are home to a variety of trees, including sandalwood and teak. The beaches of Timor-Leste are some of the most beautiful in Southeast Asia, and they are a popular destination for swimming, surfing, and sunbathing. Did you know that Uzbekistan is a landlocked country located in Central Asia? It is bordered by Kazakhstan to the north, Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan to the east, Turkmenistan to the south, and Afghanistan to the southwest. Uzbekistan is a land of deserts, mountains, and plains. The Amu Darya and Syr Darya rivers flow through Uzbekistan. The Kizilkum Desert covers most of the country. The Fergana Valley is a fertile region in the east. Did you know that Kazakhstan is the largest country in Central Asia? It is located between Russia to the north, China to the east, Kyrgyzstan to the southeast, Uzbekistan to the south, and Turkmenistan to the southwest. Kazakhstan is a land of deserts, steppes, mountains, and forests. The highest mountain in Kazakhstan is Khantingri, which is over 7,000 meters tall. The deserts of Kazakhstan are located in the south of the country and are some of the driest in the world. The steppes of Kazakhstan are located in the north and center of the country and are home to many nomadic people. The mountains of Kazakhstan are located in the east and west of the country and are home to many glaciers and lakes. Did you know that Kyrgyzstan is a landlocked country located in Central Asia? It is bordered by Kazakhstan to the north, Uzbekistan to the west, Tajikistan to the south, and China to the east. Kyrgyzstan is a land of mountains, valleys, and lakes. The highest mountain in Kyrgyzstan is Jengish-Chokusu, which is over 7,439 meters tall. The valleys of Kyrgyzstan are home to many villages and farms. The lakes of Kyrgyzstan are a popular tourist destination and include Lake Issyk-Kul, the second largest saline lake in the world. Did you know that Tajikistan is a landlocked country located in Central Asia? It is bordered by Kyrgyzstan to the north, Uzbekistan to the west, China to the east, and Afghanistan to the south. Tajikistan is a land of mountains, with the Pamir Mountains running through the center of the country. The highest mountain in Tajikistan is Ismail Samani Peak, which is over 7,495 meters tall. The Pamir Mountains are home to many glaciers and lakes. The valleys of Tajikistan are home to many villages and farms. Did you know that Turkmenistan is a landlocked country located in Central Asia? It is bordered by Kazakhstan to the north, Uzbekistan to the west, Iran to the south, and Afghanistan to the southeast. Turkmenistan is a land of deserts, mountains, and oases. The Karakum Desert covers most of the country. The Kaped Dag Mountains run along the border with Iran. The oases of Turkmenistan are home to many villages and farms. Did you know that Armenia is a landlocked country located in the South Caucasus region of Eurasia? It is bordered by Turkey to the west, Georgia to the north, Azerbaijan to the east and south. Armenia is a land of mountains, valleys, and plateaus. The highest mountain in Armenia is Mount Ararat, which is over 5,100 meters tall. The Ararat Valley is a fertile valley that is home to most of Armenia's population. The Armenian highlands are a plateau that covers most of the country. Did you know that Azerbaijan is a country located in the South Caucasus region of Eurasia? It is bordered by Russia to the north, Georgia to the northwest, Armenia to the west, and Iran to the south and east. Azerbaijan is a land of mountains, valleys, and plains. The highest mountain in Azerbaijan is Mount Bazarduzu, which is over 4,400 meters tall. The Lesser Caucasus Mountains run through the country. The Kararaz lowlands are a fertile plain that is home to most of Azerbaijan's population. Did you know that Georgia is a country located in the South Caucasus region of Eurasia? It is bordered by Russia to the north, Turkey to the south, Armenia to the southwest, and Azerbaijan to the east. Georgia is a land of mountains, valleys, and Black Sea coast. The highest mountain in Georgia is Mount Shkara, which is over 5,000 meters tall. The Greater Caucasus Mountains run through the country. The Kalkidi lowlands are a fertile plain that is home to most of Georgia's population. Did you know that Russia is the largest country in the world by area? It is located in northern Eurasia and is bordered by 14 countries, including Norway and Finland to the northwest, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, and Poland to the west, Belarus and Ukraine to the southwest, Georgia to the south, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, and China to the east, and North Korea and Japan to the far east. Russia is a land of mountains, plains, and deserts. The highest mountain in Russia is Mount Elbrus, which is over 5,600 meters tall. The Ural Mountains run through the middle of the country. The Siberian Plain is a vast plain that covers most of the country. The Kara Sea and the Laptev Sea are located in the Arctic Ocean. Did you know that China is the world's most populous country and fourth largest country by area? It is located in East Asia and is bordered by 14 countries, including Russia to the north, Mongolia to the northeast, North Korea to the northeast, Vietnam to the south, and India to the southwest. China is a land of mountains, deserts, plains, and plateaus. The highest mountain in China is Mount Everest, which is located on the border with Nepal. The Gobi Desert covers much of the northern part of the country. The Yangtze River is the longest river in China and the third longest river in the world. Did you know that Japan is an island country located in East Asia? It is bordered by the Sea of Japan to the west, the East China Sea to the south, and the Pacific Ocean to the east and northeast. Japan is a land of mountains, volcanoes, and forests. The highest mountain in Japan is Mount Fuji, which is over 3,700 meters tall. The Japanese Alps run through the central part of the country. The volcanic island of Hokkaido is located in the north. The Ryukyu Islands are located in the south. Did you know that Mongolia is a landlocked country located in Central Asia? It is bordered by Russia to the north and China to the south, east, and west. Mongolia is a land of mountains, steppes, and deserts. The highest mountain in Mongolia is Khwitin Peak, which is over 4,300 meters tall. The Gobi Desert covers much of the southern part of the country. The steppes of Mongolia are a vast grassland region that is home to many nomadic people. Did you know that North Korea is a country located in East Asia? It is bordered by China to the north and south, and Russia to the northeast. North Korea is a land of mountains, valleys, and rivers. The highest mountain in North Korea is Pikdasan, which is over 2,700 meters tall. The Taebaek Mountains run through the middle of the country. The Yalu River and Tumun River form the border between North Korea and China. Did you know that South Korea is a country located in East Asia? It is bordered by North Korea to the north, the Sea of Japan to the east, the East China Sea to the south, and China to the west. South Korea is a land of mountains, valleys, and beaches. The highest mountain in South Korea is Halasan, which is over 1,950 meters tall. The Taebaek Mountains run through the middle of the country. The Gyeongsang Mountains are located in the southeast. The Yellow Sea and the East China Sea are located to the south. Did you know that Taiwan is an island located off the coast of mainland China? It is located in the western Pacific Ocean and is about the size of the state of Maryland. Taiwan is a land of mountains, forests, and beaches. The highest mountain in Taiwan is Yushan, which is over 3,900 meters tall. The Central Mountain Range runs through the center of the island. The East China Sea and the Taiwan Strait surround the island. Did you know that Afghanistan is a landlocked country located at the crossroads of Central Asia and South Asia? It is bordered by Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan to the north, Tajikistan and China to the northeast, Pakistan to the east and south, and Iran to the west. Afghanistan is a landlocked country with no coastline. The geography of Afghanistan is diverse, with mountains, deserts, and plains. The highest mountain range in Afghanistan is the Hindu Kush mountain range, which runs through the center of the country. The deserts of Afghanistan are located in the south and west of the country, and they are some of the driest in the world. The plains of Afghanistan are located in the north and east of the country, and they are home to many agricultural areas. Did you know that Bangladesh is a country located in South Asia? It is bordered by India to the north, east, and west, and by Myanmar to the southeast. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, deltas, and hills. The Ganges and Brahmaputra rivers meet in Bangladesh to form the world's largest delta, the Sundarbans. The Sundarbans is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to a variety of wildlife, including tigers, crocodiles, and dolphins. The hills of Bangladesh are located in the northeast of the country and are home to tea plantations and forests. Did you know that Bhutan is a country located in the eastern Himalayas? It is landlocked between China to the north and India to the south, east, and west. Bhutan is a small country with a total area of only 38,394 square kilometers. The geography of Bhutan is diverse, with mountains, valleys, and forests. The highest mountain in Bhutan is Gangkhar Puensum, which is located in the north of the country and is over 7,500 meters tall. The valleys of Bhutan are home to many villages and farms. The forests of Bhutan are home to a variety of plants and animals, including tigers, elephants, and snow leopards. Did you know that India is the second largest country in Asia and the seventh largest country in the world? It is located in South Asia and is bordered by Pakistan to the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan to the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east, and Sri Lanka and the Maldives to the south. India is a land of mountains, deserts, plains, and plateaus. The highest mountain range in India is the Himalayas, which is also the highest mountain range in the world. The Thar Desert covers much of the western part of the country. The Indo-Gangetic Plain is a vast plain that is home to most of India's population. Did you know that the Maldives is a country located in the Indian Ocean? It is an archipelago of 26 atolls, which are made up of over 1,190 islands. The Maldives is the lowest-lying country in the world, with an average elevation of just 2.4 meters above sea level. The geography of the Maldives is dominated by the ocean. The islands are surrounded by coral reefs, which are home to a variety of marine life. The water in the Maldives is crystal clear and is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. Did you know that Nepal is a country located in South Asia? It is bordered by China to the north and India to the south, east, and west. Nepal is a land of mountains, valleys, and forests. The highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, is located in Nepal. The Himalayas, the world's tallest mountain range, runs through Nepal. The valleys of Nepal are home to many villages and farms. The forests of Nepal are home to a variety of plants and animals, including tigers, elephants, and rhinoceroses. Did you know that Pakistan is a country located in South Asia? It is bordered by India to the east and south, Afghanistan to the north and west, and Iran to the southwest. Pakistan is a land of mountains, deserts, and plains. The highest mountain in Pakistan is K2, which is the second highest mountain in the world. The Karakoram mountain range runs through Pakistan and is home to many other high peaks. The deserts of Pakistan are located in the south and west of the country and are some of the driest in the world. The plains of Pakistan are located in the north and east of the country and are home to many agricultural areas. Did you know that Sri Lanka is an island country located in the Indian Ocean? It is located off the southeastern coast of India and is about the size of West Virginia. Sri Lanka is a land of hills, mountains, and plains. The highest mountain in Sri Lanka is Pitturodalagala, which is over 2,500 meters tall. The hills of Sri Lanka are home to many tea plantations. The plains of Sri Lanka are home to many agricultural areas and are also popular for tourism. Did you know that Bahrain is an archipelago of 33 islands located in the Persian Gulf? It is bordered by Saudi Arabia to the west and Qatar to the east. Bahrain is a land of desert, beaches, and mudflats. The highest point in Bahrain is Jabal Dukhan, which is over 130 meters tall. The Hawar Islands are located in the Persian Gulf. The Bahraini mudflats are home to a variety of birdlife. Did you know that Cyprus is an island located in the eastern Mediterranean Sea? It is the third largest island in the Mediterranean Sea, after Sicily and Sardinia. Cyprus is a land of mountains, forests, and beaches. The highest mountain in Cyprus is Mount Olympus, which is over 1,950 meters tall. The Troodos Mountains run through the center of the island. The Kyrenia Mountains are located in the north of the island. The Mesoria Plain is a fertile plain in the center of the island. Did you know that Egypt is a country located in northern Africa? It is bordered by Libya to the west, Sudan to the south, and the Mediterranean Sea to the north. Egypt is a land of deserts, mountains, and the Nile River. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. It flows through the center of Egypt and provides water for irrigation and drinking. The Sahara Desert covers most of the land in Egypt. The Sinai Peninsula is located in the east of Egypt and is separated from the rest of the country by the Suez Canal. Did you know that Iran is a country located in Western Asia? It is bordered by Turkey to the northwest, Iraq to the west, Azerbaijan, Armenia, and Turkmenistan to the north, Afghanistan and Pakistan to the east, and the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman to the south. Iran is a land of mountains, deserts, and plateaus. The highest mountain in Iran is Mount Damavand, which is over 5,600 meters tall. The Zagros Mountains run through the western part of the country. The Dashti Kaveh is a large desert in the center of the country. The Dashti Lut is another large desert in the east of the country. Did you know that Iraq is a country located in Western Asia? It is bordered by Turkey to the north, Iran to the east, Syria to the west, Jordan to the southwest, and Saudi Arabia and Kuwait to the south. Iraq is a land of deserts, mountains, and rivers. The Tigris and Euphrates rivers are the two major rivers in Iraq. They flow through the center of the country and provide water for irrigation and drinking. The Zagros Mountains are located in the east of Iraq. The Syrian desert covers most of the land in Iraq. Did you know that Israel is a country located in the Middle East? It is bordered by Lebanon to the north, Syria to the northeast, Jordan to the east, the West Bank and the Gaza Strip to the west, and Egypt to the southwest. Israel is a land of mountains, deserts, and coastline. The highest mountain in Israel is Mount Hermon, which is over 2,800 meters tall. The Dead Sea is the lowest point on Earth, at over 400 meters below sea level. The Negev Desert covers most of the land in Israel. The Mediterranean Sea borders Israel to the west. Did you know that Jordan is a country located in Western Asia? It is bordered by Syria to the north, Iraq to the east, Saudi Arabia to the south and east, and Israel and the West Bank to the west. Jordan is a land of mountains, deserts, and the Dead Sea. The highest mountain in Jordan is Mount al-Damim, which is over 1,854 meters tall. The Dead Sea is the lowest point on Earth, at over 400 meters below sea level. The Jordan Valley is a fertile valley that runs through the center of Jordan. The Arabian Desert covers most of the land in Jordan. Did you know that Kuwait is an Arab country located in the Persian Gulf? It is bordered by Iraq to the north and west, and Saudi Arabia to the south. Kuwait is a flat sandy desert country with a coastline of about 499 kilometers. The highest point in Kuwait is Al Jarrah, which is over 300 meters tall. The Kuwait Bay is a large bay that forms the country's coastline. The Arabian Desert covers most of the land in Kuwait. Did you know that Lebanon is a country located in Western Asia, on the eastern shore of the Mediterranean Sea? It is bordered by Syria to the north and east, and Israel to the south. Lebanon is a small country with a diverse geography. The highest point in Lebanon is Mount Hermon, which is over 3,083 meters tall. The Lebanon Mountains run through the center of the country. The Bekaa Valley is a fertile valley that runs through the center of the country. The Mediterranean Sea borders Lebanon to the west. Did you know that Oman is a country located in the southeastern corner of the Arabian Peninsula? It is bordered by Saudi Arabia to the west, the United Arab Emirates to the north, and Yemen to the south. Oman is a land of mountains, deserts, and coastline. The highest point in Oman is Jebel Shams, which is over 3,000 meters tall. The Hajar Mountains run through the center of the country. The Arabian Desert covers most of the land in Oman. The Gulf of Oman borders Oman to the northeast. Did you know that Qatar is a country located in the Persian Gulf? It is bordered by Saudi Arabia to the west and south, and the United Arab Emirates to the north and east. Qatar is a small country with a flat, desert geography. The highest point in Qatar is Abu al-Bal Hill, which is over 130 meters tall. The Qatari Desert covers most of the land in Qatar. The Persian Gulf borders Qatar to the east and south. Did you know that Saudi Arabia is a country located in Western Asia? It is bordered by Jordan to the north, Iraq to the north and east, Kuwait and Qatar to the northeast, the United Arab Emirates and Oman to the east, Yemen to the south, and the Red Sea to the west. Saudi Arabia is a land of deserts, mountains, and coastline. The highest point in Saudi Arabia is Jabal Sada, which is over 3,133 meters tall. The Najd Plateau is a high plateau that covers most of the country. The Empty Quarter is a vast desert that covers the south and east of the country. The Red Sea borders Saudi Arabia to the west. Did you know that Syria is a country located in Western Asia? It is bordered by Turkey to the north, Iraq to the east, Jordan to the south, Lebanon and Israel to the southwest, and the Mediterranean Sea to the west. Syria has a diverse geography, with mountains, deserts, and coastline. The highest point in Syria is Mount Hermon, which is over 2,814 meters tall. The Anti-Lebanon Mountains run along the border with Lebanon. The Syrian desert covers most of the land in Syria. The Mediterranean Sea borders Syria to the west. Did you know that Turkey is a country located in both Europe and Asia? It is bordered by 8 countries: Bulgaria to the northwest, Greece to the west, Georgia to the northeast, Armenia, Azerbaijan, and Iran to the east, Syria and Iraq to the south, the Mediterranean Sea to the south and west, the Black Sea to the north. It's a country of mountains, plateaus, and coastlines. The Pontic Mountains run along the Black Sea coast, while the Taurus Mountains run along the Mediterranean coast. The Anatolian Plateau is the central region of Turkey, and it's home to the country's highest peak, Mount Ararat. Turkey also has a long coastline along the Aegean Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, and the Black Sea. Did you know that the United Arab Emirates is a country located in Western Asia? It is bordered by Oman to the east and south, and Saudi Arabia to the west. The UAE is a federation of 7 emirates: Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ayman, Al Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah, and Fujairah. The UAE has a desert climate, with hot summers and mild winters. The highest point in the UAE is Jebel Jais, which is over 1,934 meters tall. The UAE has a coastline of over 1,300 kilometers along the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. Did you know that Yemen is a country located in the southern end of the Arabian Peninsula? It is bordered by Saudi Arabia to the north, Oman to the east, and the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden to the west and south. It's a country of mountains, deserts, and coastline. The Tihama coastal plain is a hot and humid region. It's home to mangrove forests and a variety of birdlife. The Yemen highlands are cooler and more temperate than the Tihama. They're covered in lush vegetation and are home to a variety of plants and animals. The deserts of Yemen are dry and arid. They're home to a few oases and a hardy population of Bedouins. Did you know that Palestine is a country located in the Middle East? It is bordered by Israel to the west and south, Jordan to the east, and Egypt to the southwest. Palestine is a land of mountains, valleys, and deserts. The highest mountain in Palestine is Mount Gerizim, which is over 880 meters tall. The Jordan Valley is a fertile valley that runs through the center of Palestine. The Negev Desert covers most of the land in Palestine.